Yes, nice. Okay, next is Donald Duck, also from Popmart. This is 621 yuan. Same, like how many? How many? 8, yeah, so around I think 69. It's like buying 8 pieces, but oh, this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 9. 9 designs. It's like buying the whole set. I mean, no discount, same price. Wait. 90 years of Donald Duck, 2024. Just this year. So we're getting this 9 designs. Oh, they put all the years that. Oh, nice. So cute. Okay. Oh, I like the nephews. And your favorite is Scrooge. Okay, we open. Okay, we open. Do you want to see a secret box? Open it. Okay, it's open. Let us start opening. Sorry. Oh, yay. Oh, looks nice. Here. Nice. Okay, let's open the first one in the middle. Okay, so what you get? One secret. I don't know what this is. Okay, see. Okay. Shh. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Okay. And then, oh. Oh wow, you know it, huh? 2004, the Three Musketeers. You know it already, like, by just looking at it. Oh, much. Nice. Have you watched this one?
Yes, the Goofy and Mickey's and
Oh, but it's light. It's light. I like that they have this auto cards. Oh, look at the stand.
oh wow.
So nice. Wow. How does he stand like this? Oh yeah, it's sitting down. Okay, nice. Donald Duck 2004, the Three Musketeers. Okay. I'll take picture of the Three Musketeers. Next, put the T. Okay. 1936. Okay.
Tomorrow the person come to
Okay. See what we get. This. Oh, your favorite.
Hey.
Uncle Scrooge is in the house. Hey. Uncle Scrooge is 1967. Scrooge McDuck and Money. The richest uncle. Very rich uncle. Nice. Oh, the picture. I thought it would be like the same. Oh, yes, a stick. Nice, so cute. I thought it would be different for each. I mean, it's the same for everything. Nice.
Quality the finishes here.
Yeah, too much.
I get it.
Yeah. So nice. 1967, Uncle Scrooge. And stick. The other one. On top. The third, one, the secret one. Give us the secret one for a change. Oh, I saw it. Shit. Sorry. No, this is my favorite. You know who it is? Eh, no, it is. But she looks weird in this. 1937. Donald, Daisy. Why do you look like this? You look weird. But I saw was the picture, so I was like, oh, anyway. This one. The stand. How can they stand like this? Nice. What do you call it? Nice. Oh, this is how it looks like. Okay, we got Daisy. Donald. Give me secret. I should have watched video how to properly open Popmart boxes. Because it's so hard. It's hard. I saw it again. Why? I saw it there. Is that cute ones? The cute ones. So much. Oh, so cute. So cute they are.
The back looks like they have jetpack on the
This
horse.
one. Yeah, so they have to go to fly. So cute. Oh, sorry, make it slower. Okay. I saw the yellow poster. Sorry. So cute. 19.
Dewey and Louie.
So they came first after, before the uncle. Because I saw one video, the cartoon. One is our fifth, sixth. Yeah, secret. So, which one? One secret. You want secret?
Yes.
Oh, this is the very first one. My god, he looks weird. Donald looks weird. He really looks like the real duck.
That one, the white little hen.
Oh, not the Donald duck itself.
Donald Duck.
But he has a big beak in this. They should have like put the hat so it will not look weird. It looks scary. He looks like a duck. Okay. Yes. Secret. I can use this backer up this one as the background. Come with me. Okay, next one. this one. Okay. I don't know which one we haven't taken. The Dog Napper Moving Day 90th anniversary and Mickey Mouse. Oh, this the Mickey Mouse shorts. Ano? Oh, that's the 90th anniversary. So cute. So cute, so cute. Why is it so cute? Nice. You like the finishing of everything. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yay, 2024 Donald Duck 90th anniversary. Oh. Where is it made? It's made in. Okay. Now we only have Dog Napper, Moving Day, and Mickey Mouse. But we want secret. Secret, secret, secret. Secret, secret, secret. Huh? No, Dog Napper, yes. Dog Napper.
I don't get that Spanish.
Dog Napper, Moving Day, and Mickey Mouse shorts. Secret, secret. What is the secret? Oh, this one really looks weird. Why? Look at the black and white.
Black and white initially.
But look at the cap. Looks weird. And the way he's looking as if it is a ghost. The Dog Napper. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get this. Oh, it's also black and white. Too much. Oops. Okay. Oh my god. Full black. Okay. Secret, secret. Oops. Okay. Okay. We are Moving Day and Mickey Mouse shorts. Come on, come on, come on.
I don't mind Moving Day and Mickey Mouse shorts.
Okay. Okay.
Moving Day.
Moving Day. Why is it not? So cute. Look at Sailor one. Moving Day, 1936. Nice.
There should be something. A plunger should be there.
This is not secret, and this will be Mickey Mouse shorts. Next one. I don't think there's a secret because the secret was tall. There's very short. Hey! Mickey Mouse shorts. We got one. Nice. Why is it Mickey Mouse shorts? No shorts, but Mickey Mouse. You know, his hat looks like the hat of Goofy. Nice. Mickey Mouse shorts. 2013.